Phantom two-tone icons is an Android application designed to provide a stylish collection of two-tone icons that elevate the aesthetic of users' devices. This icon pack is particularly appealing to those who enjoy a modern and minimalistic design, offering a unique visual style that enhances home screens and app drawers. Key features typically include a wide variety of carefully crafted icons that feature a distinctive two-tone color scheme, allowing users to create a cohesive and visually appealing look for their devices. The icons often cover a broad range of popular apps, ensuring compatibility and usability for most users. Additionally, Phantom two-tone icons usually supports multiple launchers, making it easy to apply the icon pack to popular setups like Nova Launcher, Apex Launcher, and others. The application may also receive regular updates, adding new icons and optimizing existing ones to accommodate new app releases. Overall, Phantom two-tone icon serves as an excellent customization tool for anyone looking to refresh the appearance of their Android devices, providing a chic and sophisticated way to personalize their user interface with elegant two-tone designs.